There is a winter weather advisory in effect for the mountains. It is what, June 20th? It is summer.
Yeah.
It's summer.
First day.
Officially.
Yeah.
It goes into effect tonight. We'll talk more about that coming up. But another weekend storm. It seems like it's been weekend upon weekend that we've been under some pretty gray weather. The winter weather advisory gets 4 exclamation points because it is super abnormal this time of year to see that. We'll talk about the snow coming up. Here in town, it's going to be severe storms. That will develop this afternoon, so we are going to be in for a pretty bumpy afternoon. 56 in Denver right now. We're under a mostly sunny sky. It's going to be a beautiful, bright eastbound drive this morning, and again, low to mid-50s. A little cooler down near Highlands Ranch and Castle Rock here right now in the upper 40s as you walk out the door. That risk of severe weather does cover eastern Colorado. This very normal this time of year. The winter weather advisory not so much, but you're going to find here in the yellow where we could get some isolated tornadoes. And again, that risk is going to push right up against the metro area this afternoon. Larger hail, strong winds, that would be the 2 biggest risks. And then again, that threat for some isolated tornadoes. So it's going to be a pretty bumpy afternoon. We'll be keeping a very close eye on the storms that develop. Here's a look at the winter weather advisory. And again, it goes into effect tonight through early Sunday morning. We could see above 10,000 feet, about 4 to 10 inches of snow. That is just insane. Now, as you get down to about 9,000 feet, there could be some light snow. So as you're heading west on I-70, it's going to look a little more like potentially March than June later this weekend. Right now, we're under some clear skies. We'll stay under a mostly sunny sky through early morning, 60s through about 9, 10 o'clock, and then some mid to upper 60s by lunch. So we're going to probably see our highs right around 1 to 2. That's also when we'll start to see some storms and showers developing. With this cold front rolling through, there's going to be an edge of this where we have that risk of severe weather, especially just off to the east of I-25, and that's going to continue through overnight. So tonight into early tomorrow morning, you can see some of the blue mixing in on Futurecast. That's the snow above 10,000 feet, and then as you get down across the plains, it's chilly, it's wet through, it looks like early tomorrow, and then we'll be under a partly cloudy sky at about 8:30 in the morning. More scattered storms and showers developing again tomorrow afternoon. That's at about 2 o'clock, and we'll see highs tomorrow only in the mid to upper 60s. So it's quite a bit cooler both Saturday, both Sunday, and then into the first of next week. By Monday, things start to really warm up. We're at 80 on Monday, and then mid-80s. There it is, Jace. 91 on Thursday. If we hit that 91, it's going to be our first 90 of the season.